Hi guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and we're doing a quick crafts today. So I've got the gel press here, we've got a couple of our elements, we've got graphite and we've got soft signet. And all we're going to do is create a lovely magical background ready to stamp onto. So I've got my brayer here and we're going to start with the soft signet. Now, when you are transferring this ink over onto the gel press, it really doesn't look like there's much going on at all, but you will be pleasantly surprised when you take that impression from the gel press, actually how much ink is on there. So I'm going to put a little bit of the graphite on as well, just for a contrast more than anything. So load up the brayer and then we're just going to pop it on just in patches really. And again, you can't really see that, but you can experiment. You can experiment yourselves just on scrap bits of paper and you'll get a feel as to what works. Now you can see I'm loading up my brush, my fan brush here with water. Take those initial droplets off and then transfer over onto the gel press and just tap very lightly and you get some tiny little speckles. Now this is what we want and that gives us this really nice interesting background. Okay, now I've got watercolour card here, cut to size, and I'm going to pop that on over the top and smooth down. And let's have a look. Now you can see, look at that, isn't that fabulous? I absolutely love this technique. I never tire from it. And you can create this in all sorts of different colours. Or again, you can put the dinkles on, exactly the same effect, but instead of water, then you pop your dinkles on after mixing them with water. And again, that will give you some beautiful backgrounds. So we're going to work with this one now using some of our stamps. And there you go, guys. I really enjoyed that, especially using those Posca pencils over the top of that watercolour background. The Posca pencils are great for anything like that. They're very opaque and waxy. So as you can see, they've coloured in beautifully. Thanks so much for joining me, guys, and you take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.